Hey guys! Welcome to the second part of my tutorial on how to make realistic fake scars for your Halloween party or other creative projects. I'll leave the link to the first part where I used the rigid collodion somewhere up here, so you can go check out it later. So in this part I'm going to create a fake wound using a paper roll, cosmetic glue and some water. Actually, it might be better if you're going to use a regular toilet paper, because we need a really thin layer like this without any pattern, so it should be plain. As for the glue, I know many people use so-called school glue, or it's PVA, and it's considered fairly safe for your skin, but still I don't want to risk to apply anything like this to my face. But I think you can use any kind of cosmetic glue that is specifically designed to be applied to your skin. For example, eyelashes glue or wig glue. This particular adhesive I use to glue my elf ears. I've got like latex elf ears. So basically you can use any adhesive that is safe for your skin. Okay, let's finally get started. First I need a really thin layer of this paper. You can split it into two pieces. This one is actually not perfect because it has some kind of pattern on it, but we'll work it out. That's your future wound. You can rip it a little bit in advance, because you're gonna do the same already on your face. And let's put a little bit of glue on our skin. So after that, let's apply some water. And let's go for some more layers. Try to make some uneven texture. Now it's time to make it look more like a wound. After that you can use foundation or any other paint that looks like skin. But please use something cheap, you don't need super expensive stuff here. Now it looks like something from a zombie. Now the fun part begins. And now it looks completely disgusting, as we wanted. So guys, if you like this stuff, you're really weird, but besides that, you might want to watch more of my tutorials that I'm gonna upload to my YouTube channel, so I just suggest you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next one, because in the next video I'm gonna show you how to work with latex, and I'm gonna do a similar wound on my face but with latex, so you will see the difference and may choose which method works for you. Alright, see you in the next videos, bye!